Yeah. So we're going to this one. Go to platform number 1. That's our train. Kami sa Lalaport. Ayun yan. Lalaport Hamswa main entrance. Dito siyang mall dito sa Malaysia. Very nice. Malapit din siya sa Berjaya Square. Berjaya Square. Welcome to Lalaport Mall. Nahanap kami ng mga kainan. Because we are all hungry. Hungry ka na, Klo? You can eat and then you can sleep. Did you know? Dami nilang mga kainan.